Wow, this is so exciting!
I can't believe we actually own a house!
We can get rid of this sign.
I've got the keys! Let's go inside! Oops, our bags!
Whoa! Look at this!
Let me see!
Stop pushing me!
It didn't look like this in the pictures.
Yeah, there were less spiders.
I mean, at least we'll have pets. It's gonna take a lot of work.
Well, let's get started. This couch is gonna be so comfortable.
I can get rid of this.
We'll need some plants. It's looking good.
But something's missing. How does that look?
A little lower.
Hold it!
That's perfect. We can hang it on this nail. Uh-oh. Wait. There's something back there. Whoa! I can't believe it! It's a secret room!
Whoa! This is heavy! Ah! Oh yeah, that feels good! I can feel my stress fading away! Oh, this is so cool!
Wow! Keep going!
Ah!
You need to calm down. I'll grab the torches.
What is this place? It's so dark. It's okay. Don't worry.
Can you see anything?
The torches are going out.
Oh, we should get out of here.
Just stay close. That's too close. Are you seeing this? Look at all these boxes.
This is so weird.
There's so much stuff. What is that? I'm so confused. Who would leave all this behind?
Who cares? It's ours now! Let's have a look in the boxes.
Okay, here goes. Wow. Binoculars. And they look pretty valuable. Hey, Jessie, I can see you.
Who said that? I'm just messing. It was me all along. Oh my gosh! That box is moving! Do something! Go! You're braver than me!
I'm going. I hope this isn't a rat.
Aww, it's a kitten! It's so adorable! Whoa, look at the collar! Is that a diamond? It's huge! And it looks amazing on me! It's the perfect fit!
Let me see that!
Wow! This is my lucky day! I think the cat deserves a treat for finding this ring. Here you go. Hey! Come back! Whatever. Let's look in the other boxes. Maybe there's a matching tiara or something. I can't open it. I'll try and squeeze my hand through. Yes! I'm in! I can feel something. It's got me!
What are you doing? That was a stupid question.
I'm stuck! Do something!
Hold still!
What the? Ah!
Ugh!
Sorry. I got a fright.
You threw a mop at me! Never mind, it's not a big deal. I wonder what's in here. Whoa! Look at this! This box is full of toys!
No, they're for kids.
Okay, how about this huge spring?
No, I don't want it.
Tough crowd. You love puppets!
This is more like it.
There's so much in here! Oh, a squishy ice cream.
This is so much fun. Okay, I feel better now. I'm gonna have a look around. Check this out. It's an old painting. She looks familiar. Like, really familiar.
Ooh, a duck puppet. Cute.
That is freaky. I think it's missing something. It needs a big, bushy mustache. That's better. Now that is a work of art. It should be hanging in a gallery. What do you think?
Huh? Sorry, I'm kinda busy over here.
Okay. That was unexpected. What else can I do? You know, devil horns will suit you. This is so funny. It's actually an improvement. No way!
What? What is it? What's so funny?
I think you need this.
Ah! How did that happen? Ugh, that is so weird. Stop fooling around. Okay, let's have a look at this box. I hope it's nothing fragile. I love surprises. Okay, let's rip it open. It's full of sports balls. Cool, we can play later. Ooh, this looks good. I always wanted to try boxing. Pow, pow, pow! Maybe I should take it up. What else have we got? Cool, a baseball bat.
Oops, you've got a booger. There's something at the bottom of the box. Whoa! What is it? Is it a bowl? Maybe there's a genie inside. Hello? Anyone in there? Meh, I'm done with this.
Huh? What the? Why would you do that? No! Phew! I got it! That was a close one! This is pretty nice. You know, I think I'll keep this for myself. Jessie doesn't need to know. Huh? What's that? Is it a phone?
Do you hear that? Where's it coming from?
I think we're getting closer. It's coming from inside this box.
I can hear something knocking.
I totally knew that was you. Oh, the phone! I think it's in here.
Whoa! That's a lot of phones.
It's mine!
This is the best day ever!
Give me the phone.
Take that one.
What about me?
Here you go. What just happened? Alice, you saw that, right?
Just grab as many things as you can.
Good idea.
I've got more than you. Nah. Time to open another box. Ooh, look at this. Whoa, check out those moves. I can't resist it. I need to dance. It's like the rhythm is taking over.
Whoa! This is awesome! It's a golden gaming wheel!
Ooh, this is something I can use. Think of all the snacks I could grab.
Ooh, a lollipop! Hey, Alice! Pew! Pew!
It's mine! Haha, got it! Opening boxes is hungry work. Gotta go.
Hey, that was mine! I hope there's more candy in here. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, this looks good! It's full of clothes! Wow, they're so colorful! I love a good shopping spree.
Ew, free clothes. Your wardrobe needs a makeover. It's time for a fashion show. This'll be fun. I'm ready. Okay, strut your stuff.
Check this out. I feel so stylish. This color definitely suits me. And these boots! Oh my gosh! What do you think?
I'm not a fan. 5 out of 10.
Really? Okay, I'll try another outfit. Now this is glamorous with an angelic twist.
Wow! You are working those wings. I'll give it a 7.
I'll take that. There's a lot more to try on.
Alice. That is so unoriginal. 2 out of 10.
Sorry I took so long. Who's this?
Wait. I thought it was you! Jessie! Ah! Stay back! That's gonna leave a bump. Do something! Really? That's a duster!
What am I doing? There must be something in here. How about this?
No! Do I have to do it myself? Keep looking!
You know I'm not good under pressure! Help me!
Oh, why do I even bother? Behind you!
Oh! Gotcha!
You're gonna use a vacuum?
Take that! It's working!
Phew. That was intense.
I know, right?
You were great. Now this is the one.
I do feel super cute. Maybe I'll wear it out.
There's still more boxes to look through. Ooh, what's in it? Jackpot! Lots of old books!
Boring. I prefer things with pictures.
Fine. Whoa, I wasn't expecting that! I knew being a nerd would pay off. Literally. I think I'll take this. Just act natural.
As if I'd be interested in books. Whoa! Now this is what I'm talking about. This is like a dentist's nightmare. But I am loving it. They're so good. Alice? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm over here.
Whoa!
Jessie! You need to see this!
No. No way.
Come on, it'll be fine. What's the worst that can happen?
Why do I feel like we'll regret this? Here goes.
Huh? That's weird. We're back home.
Wait! How did that happen?
Never mind. Get back in the box.
Alice? We might have a problem.
What are you doing?
It's just a box. There's nothing else.
Yeah, right. Get in there.
Ow! Stop pushing me! See? I told you!
Look! The wall! We need to get through there! Break it down! Wait. I still have some money.
Very sneaky. But I'll take it.
We're rich! Woohoo!